Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at the Marshall Woburn II Bluetooth speaker. Now this speaker has two 1-inch tweeters and it has dual 5.25 subs. So it's very bass driven, but the actual mids and the highs, they're not muddled, so you still get pretty good sound out of it. Now it retails for about $500. The appearance itself lends itself to the $500. Now the sound, I'm sure there are other speakers that can pretty much come comparable to the sound this Marshall speaker gives you. Now it has a lot of nice little features as far as the lighting on the knobs, the trim itself, the actual lettering of the Marshall. The speaker itself gives off a very elegant look to it. It shows the 500 right away. I like that the design is very elegant and it's got a nice retro look to it. Down to the gold knobs, down to the lettering, down to the stenciling of the actual Marshall on the speaker. Another bonus is once you're controlling the speaker through the app, you can actually use two cell phones, two streaming devices to control the speaker, which allows for back and forth play between you and another guest. It actually also allows you a lot of control over your sound. You can actually customize the settings, or you can go with their preset for all the music categories as far as rock, jazz, acoustic. It has a lot of control via the app. Now what I'm going to do is run through different sounds and show you what each one sounds like. And the microphone was about 10 feet away from the speaker. And I've also noticed that once you're streaming, you actually do get about 25 to 30 feet. At about the 30 feet mark, you do start to cut in and out. Now the downside is once you lose a connection, the actual speaker does stop playing. but it does give off great sound. As far as $500 worth, if you want a fancy speaker to show off and you want the sounds to go with it, this is the one for you. But I do think you could probably find something a little cheaper that gives you comparable sounds to this one. So I hope you enjoy, guys. And again, if you like the video, if you have any questions, comments, please let me know. I'd be happy to hear from you guys.